Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good and enjoying your December break, end of the year. So we are in our home state, Assam, and now we are traveling from Jorhat in Upper Assam to Patsala in Lower Assam. And I wanted to share the beautiful glimpses of the journey with you all. Hope you all like it. From Jorhat crossing the town of Dergaon, we are now entering Numoligarh. Numoligarh town is significant because of the location of the refinery here, the Numoligarh refinery. It is very rightly said that if you love nature, then you can find beauty everywhere. And from time to time, this type of trips are very needed, very essential to rejuvenate our souls, refresh our minds, and inspire us to resume our day-to-day life again with new zeal and enthusiasm. You can see another elephant on the road.
The tusker.
Yeah. So crossing this lanes through Kaziranga, wildlife is not much away from you. It is just steps away. And just here we get lucky and we get a glimpse of the one-horned rhino. It's appearing very tiny through the screen. I'm trying to just increase the resolution, and can you see it? There it is, enjoying itself amongst the greens. That's the one-horned rhino, just roaming around and enjoying this sunny morning in its habitat.
Not ready?
কহুৱাবিলাক ইমান ধুনীয়া লাগিছে. It's looking divine. Yeah.
Beautiful, serene.
It's so serene. It's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
So pristine.
Enjoy the view.
That much is real nature instead of normal.
Now we are crossing the Kolia Bhumura bridge. This is a bridge that will take us to the district of Tezpur. Yeah, this bridge is built over the Brahmaputra river. चले पहाड़ों में गुनाहती हूँ मैं है अब क्या करे है तो जीने दे है तो क्या करे आकाश ओ पलाश राशि राशि